It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and I'm feeling good.
Hey y'all, it's Kelty and welcome back to the KELTY'S Sisters channel. In this video, I am going to be doing my final room tour. So, about a year ago, Kieran and I actually switched rooms. We've already done a room tour of this room, but like so many years ago during quarantine, it's totally different. We used to share a room, but now we each have our own rooms because Kaden and Kiersey are out to college. So yeah, subscribe if you guys want to. I'm just gonna get started on the entryway. Okay, so as soon as you step into my room, to your right, there's this huge full-length body mirror, which is literally amazing. TikToks, mirror selfies to check an outfit, literally so many things. I would have this in every single house that I would live in for the rest of my life. It's so handy. And then moving over from the right of the mirror, you have my vanity desk area. So I basically have two desks, but a few weeks ago, Kaya actually decorated this one for me and made it with like shelves and to like do my makeup and skincare. If you guys follow me on my TikTok, you guys would know I do all my get ready with me's here and my night routines and stuff. So this is where I do that. So over here I have my little like charging area with my phone, my iPad, and then normally I have a mirror here, but my sister actually always uses it to curl her hair. And then under this we have a little white shelf, that one basket filled with a bunch of makeup. So that goes on this side, and then on the other side we have some clips that I actually got for my sweet 16 birthday. It's the cutest little thing. I use these for all of my get ready with me's and videos and stuff. I bring these everywhere. I like that there's like different colors, so I always match it with my outfit. And then I have this little mug filled with all of my makeup brushes, obviously because I do my makeup here. Just a hairbrush. So these are all of my new makeup brushes that I also got for my 16th birthday. They're so cute. It's a whole matching set, so it's really perfect. And then I have this cute little like nude aesthetic mug. Then I have this little like light, obviously, to do my makeup. And then also down below here I have another like shelf area, you could say. I have another basket full of makeup. And as you guys can see, I don't have any art or anything on this wall because A, I like the simple look, and B, you can't really, these are concrete walls since we live in South Africa, so you can't really easily nail stuff in or hang up pictures. If you use anything kind of sticky, it'll take off the paint. From my desk, you get the right side of my bed. So I have a queen white bunk bed. If you guys know, we painted this in one of our quarantine vlogs. It used to be really dark brown, but now it's white. It really opens up and brightens the room. I love that we did it. I always try to keep like white or like really neutral bright comforters and sheet. I have much like a solid color blue white kind of theme in my room. Very minimalist decorations. I have this big blue poof right here. Each of our sisters got one, and I have hot pink, but I put it in my parents' room because it didn't really match the vibe. And then we have the blue wall, and then this little stair steps that actually leads up to the top bunk, which is just another bed for friends sleepovers or whatever. And then again, I have like kind of matching pillow shades. They're really cute and soft. And then this is the left side of my bed, which is where I sleep. I feel like if you have quite a big bed to yourself, you sleep more on one side of than the others. I sleep on the left side, and then on this side, the place where I sleep, obviously, so I have my little eye mask. This is like a nice silk one from Slip. Our friend got us that for Christmas. And then I have my dresser here. This is where I keep all my like, you know, little crazy drawer type of things. It's basically a giant nightstand. And then I have this big picture frame that I just found downstairs that we weren't using, so I thought it like kind of matches the blue and green vibes in my room. And here I have like my aircon remote, the little fairy lights that go to my bed, things I can just easily reach in my room when I'm like sleeping. And then I have this little plant. I don't know where it's from. We've had them forever. We have 3 of them. If you guys have seen in any of our other room tours, I love greenery. I actually went through this stage in my life where I was obsessed with anything green, forest, grass. It was like hectic. So I have this huge window, and kind of over on this area is like one of the best places of lighting in my room, so I film a lot of TikToks here. I've been trying to go by TikTok a lot, so go follow me, link in the description. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my little nook desk area now for working. As you come over from like the aircon area over there, you get this another puff, and it is green, so it kind of matches the theme of my room. Gurney is in the vlog.
I'm gonna go get brown sugar.
Okay, I'll go now.
Like right now.
Finishing. So over here you have a little day bed, which my mom and I used a lot to do work, for schoolwork. And it's also where I just chill, watch TikToks, you know, in the middle of the day. So I actually need to quickly clean this. Okay, much better. So just tidy it up a little bit. I have my giant teddy bear. My name for him is Mystery Man because I'm not gonna name him until I find a guy in Italy, because I'm going to Italy in a few weeks. So exciting. Just a bit of extra pillows for comfort. This little window, which I absolutely love. If you guys have known any of my TikToks, I also have filmed a lot of TikToks because it has just like great lighting. Then why is this like so tiring to film? It's like a workout. Okay, then I have another big window, which is great for natural lighting. Also have filmed many TikToks here. So then you have another pair of the curtains. Then you have my desk area, and this is where I spend like 80% of my day, every single day, because I do school. So I just work up here with my mom sometimes. So I have 2 chairs, a fan because it can get hot. I also like to carry some type of water bottle wherever I go. So today I have the Starbucks one. I've been trying to be much more hydrated, and it's like really helped with energy and everything. And then I have some toilet paper rolls, my computer plug, just in case you need to blow our nose for spring, you know, pollen and everything. And then this is, I think, my favorite part of my room. I'm actually obsessed with it. I love the idea. I came up with this idea myself. I kind of decorated most of my room myself. So I have a lot of products and I love the colorful vibes. I just feel like it brings joy and happiness to, you know, like everyone that comes in here. I have been loving to show my products because I also use them like every single day. You guys might have also seen this many times in my TikTok, but basically I have this $5 Target plant, which is like one of the best pieces of room decor I would give to you guys as advice, and also that I've just ever purchased. It is so bright and green and simple. Literally only $5 from Target. And then I have all of my moisturizers and skincare products that I use every single morning and night. Deodorant, extra, so either I can always switch them up in the shower, or when I'm done that one, I can just move on to other ones. I also have all of my perfumes, just like, you know, all the fun body stuff. And I was going between ordering them in rainbow order or like scattered. So I'm trying to like equal out them, and so it's not only high products and low products, it's kind of like a balance. Moving on to the last part of my room, which is my clothes and my like closets.
I am done. I have no more stools in my room.
Right, I'm using them as a tripod, and I have my own over there. Okay, just hold on 3 seconds, Garnio. Move, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, then from the desk area, we have all of my closets. So starting over here, the one closest to my desk area, this is where I keep all of my jackets. I keep everything color coordinated. I'm a little bit of an organizing person, but I have all of my color coordinated jackets and dresses, I would say, are here. So yeah, all of my bigger winter coats, and then down here I have all of my tops and t-shirts. You guys might have seen these from Pack With Me's over the years. Also, it's color coordinated from obviously red to black. So these are just my t-shirts, long sleeves, just my basic tops. Like, this is something that would not go in here, and let me show you why. Okay, moving on to section number 2. This is the middle section. And in here, basically, there's a little bit more random things. So over here I have a really big Amazon organizer to hold all of my jewelry, and I keep all of the ones that I use more on a daily basis right here, so I can just easily grab them. And then I also have them color coordinated by color, silver, and gold. This is the place in my room where I have my laundry basket. These 2 boxes are storage bins of all of our dress-up clothes and stuff. We don't really have anywhere else to put them. They've just always stayed in this room. And then we have this giant bean bag. Also, no one really wanted it in their room because it's not a little bit more childish, but like just no one wanted it. So this just stays right here for some reason. We always used to hang dresses, but it's just great if we ever need to. And then up here is all the stuffed animals. Also, we just keep all the extra pillows and stuff for this room and everyone's stuffed animals up there. So yeah, this is section 2. And then section 3, which is the one closest to the door, like kind of straight as you walk in. Starting at the top, we have extra, you know, childhood bags and dolls and all that stuff. Then first over here we have just a bunch of random things. I do keep my extra like sleepover bags, traveling bags in there. Over here we have my like special box of memories. If you guys have one of those, it's just like, and then I have a matching sweatsuit, so I just keep that up there for some reason. And then over here I have my hoodies and crew necks, kind of like the comfy section. For winter I spend most of my time wearing things from here. And then over here is my school kind of like locker, which is kind of fun even though we do online school. So I have all of my papers. I've been doing math recently. I actually am finishing math tomorrow, which is so exciting. I have all of my school supplies, my books, and that's basically it. Then down here we have all of my extra makeup bags and toiletry bags, just a few extra little things, some gum, and then makeup in the like the Hannah Montana makeup holder that we use, so it's like makeup for our friends when they come over. And then over here is where I keep my tank tops. Tank tops are most of the time hard to fit on hangers, and I kind of just want to keep them more separate. So I've always had my little tank tops I just throw in here when I'm done wearing them. Super great. And then down here I have my shorts and skirts. So during the summer I spend most of my time wearing things from here. And then over here is my pants, jeans, all my long bottoms. So I have all my jeans right here, most of my like sweats and like thinner leggings right here, and then in the back just some more flowy kind of pants that I normally don't wear on the day-to-day basis. And then at the bottom we have my pajamas. Literally it's just like I just throw them in there. And then over here we have some extra jumpsuits and dresses that are either too big or don't really properly fit on hangers because it's like a weird design. So that is the last thing in my room. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my updated room tour. We haven't done this in 3 years, ever since COVID. So I hope y'all enjoy. I'm going to go shopping with my sister right now, give her back her stools, and yeah, we will see y'all in our next video. Subscribe!